Microsoft is finally bringing taskbar positioning back to Windows 11. And here's a first look at how it works. Let's start by moving the taskbar to the left side of the screen. As you can see, the icons are now arranged vertically, and the Start menu automatically adjusts to the new position. It feels surprisingly natural and gives you more vertical space for your applications. Now, let's switch it over to the right side. Windows instantly reorganizes the entire taskbar. Pinned apps, running applications, and the system tray all move together while keeping the same familiar experience. Next, let's move the taskbar to the top of the screen. This completely changes the look of the desktop. The Start menu, app icons, and system controls all move to the top, creating a layout that many longtime Windows users have been asking for. So, what do you think? Would you use the taskbar on the left, the right, or at the top? Let me know your favorite in the comments, and subscribe for more Windows 11 previews and upcoming features.